Hello my friends, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Statistics My Passion. In this video, we will cover the topics, and the topic is what is the constant and what is the pi and why do we call it constant. So in the math we see many of constants, in physics also, and but we don't know about that why is there actually. So this is the term which is called constant, and how can we get in daily life. So I want to explain a basic example, and you can do at your home with a very simple example. So first of all, you have to take a thread only. You have to take a thread, and which is in different types of lengths. So you have two threads. So first is smaller and one is bigger. So suppose that I have a thread, this one, and another thread is this one. uh, these are the different in size. So you have to make a circle with the help of this thread. So you have to make a circle with the help of this thread. So suppose that this circle is made by this thread, and this circle is made by this thread. So after making a circle, you have to find, so you have to measure the length of the threads, which is actually the called is circumference of the circle, which is the same as the circumference of the circle, because the thread is changed to circle, which is a circumference of the circle. Now you have to, first of all, you have to find the length of the thread of first and the second thread also. And suppose that this is the 30 centimeter long thread, and this is the 45 centimeter long thread. Suppose that, and you have also make you have also can take a different type of sizes. I don't know, but so next step, you have to find the diameter of this circle. After making a circle, after making circle by a thread, you have to measure the diameter, and the second is you have to measure diameter of this circle also. So suppose that the diameter is uh, 15 centimeter of smaller circle and 25 centimeter for bigger circle. So 15 centimeter is the diameter of the smaller circle and 25 centimeter is the diameter of the bigger circle. Now scientists have found that, what is found that when you divide circumference by his diameter, when you divide circumference by its diameter, you get always the same number. You will get also the same number. How? Suppose that this same circumference is 30 centimeter. Suppose that 30 centimeter, but in this question it is not applicable because of the values are the imaginary numbers. So you have to find your own circumference and diameter of your thread. So suppose that when we divide circumference and the diameter, we will get a same number for both circles. So the scientists have found that when we divide circumference and diameter, we get the same number, which is 22/7, and this is also written as 3.17. So 20.22 divided by 7 is the constant value of the. So the scientists give it a term, it is called pi. So pi is a basically 20 upon 22 upon 7, which is a relation between the tells us relation between the circumference and the diameter. So this is the question of the answer of the question. And so what is the pi? Pi is a constant, and constant is a value. Then we tells a relation between two terms. Suppose that is the first is circumference and the diameter. When we tells relation between two terms, then we get the same value at both times and many times. Suppose that we have two threads. Suppose that we have three threads, four threads and five threads, and many times we get same numbers at the same time. Why? Because this pi is a constant because of pi. So the basically the question is clear why we use constant in and how can we get constant in the maths and physics. And physics also we can also can get a constant in the physics between when we tells about the um, relation between two terms. Suppose that we are studying about the physics in motions, so we have the mu constant in the term. So the mu is basically depends on the two variables, and the two variables is divided or multiplied by anything else. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any query, can you can comment also in the comment boxes. Thank you so much.